issue it's having is it's not cooling inside the fridge as well as it should be in the freezer. Well, freezer coils have proper frost buildup on them. What I noticed was the fan was kicking on and off randomly, maybe every 5-10 seconds it would turn off and then kick back on. So what you need to do is, this unit has a main control board down here. You would have to take that panel off to get to it, and it's a little hidden. So what you would have to do is take this inverter board off. I already took the screw out. It's right here. And it just slides out. And then this main board is hidden right over here. It also had a screw up here, which I already took out. Just pull this unit out. I'm sorry, this board out. It'll kind of tilt down, drop. And what the issue is, you notice on this board, I mean, it doesn't look bad. However, the biggest problem is if you ever see capacitors that look like that, they're bulged at the top. You can hardly see it, but it's bulged at the top. Over here, it's pretty much straight. But if you see capacitors like this, it's unable to hold proper charge. Anyways, this would be the board to replace if you're having a similar issue and you take it apart and find that some of your capacitors look bulged at the top, or if you do see burn marks. I mean, anything can happen. It is electronics.